Hello everyone and welcome to Cibertips.
In today's video, we are going to talk about something that affects almost everyone, every day, often without realizing the danger, exposing too much on social media and the serious cybersecurity risks that come with it.
You may have heard stories about people getting scammed through a phishing attack or someone getting stalked after posting their address by accident.
But what you probably didn't realize is that all the little things you do online, like liking your favorite band's music, following fashion influencers, or commenting on your friends' photos, are sending a signal.
It's like leaving clues in a puzzle, bits and pieces of information that when put together paint a clear picture of who you are and what you like. And if you're not careful, this can leave you wide open to danger. The people creating these puzzles aren't even hackers. They are social media algorithms, data brokers, and yes, criminals who are trying to figure out who you are, what makes you tick, and how to use that knowledge to their advantage. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful cybersecurity tips.
Some of this is fairly obvious. For example, scammers who pose as customer service reps from your bank. When you buy it, they steal your login credentials and access your financial accounts. But what is more insidious is how social media companies and even everyday people use this information to influence you. The same Instagram influencer who recommends a skincare product is gathering valuable insights into who you are. By tracking your clicks, they build a profile of your interests, which they sell to marketers who then bombard you with ads for products they think you'll buy.
On top of that, websites and apps are continuously collecting your browsing history, IP addresses, and even your credit card information. This data goldmine reveals not only your purchasing habits, but also your personality traits, income level, political views, and a lot more.
With all this information, your online experience becomes less about exploration and discovery and more about targeted manipulation.
From the ads you see to the content you're fed to the offers you receive, everything is tailored to keep you engaged and ideally spending money.
But that's just the tip of the iceberg.
As social media continues to evolve, so do the threats. The same information you share today could create problems for you tomorrow. Imagine this. You post about winning a prize or an achievement and it gets a lot of attention. Years later, you apply for a job in a highly competitive field and your past post raises eyebrows. Employers wonder if your sense of pride is misplaced or if you're someone who takes unnecessary risks.
In a job market where trust is already fragile, that one post could cost you your dream job.
Similarly, a picture of you celebrating New Year's Eve in a foreign city might seem like a fun memory, but if you later apply for a government job requiring high levels of discretion and loyalty, your global adventures could be held against you. And even a simple comment expressing your political opinion or supporting a certain cause could impact your career prospects in a polarized world.
As AI technology advances, the stakes rise even higher. An AI algorithm can scan your social media footprint, predict your behaviors, and then shape the online environment to reinforce those predictions. What you see, what you hear, and what you engage with is carefully curated to mold your opinions and choices. It's like living in a virtual echo chamber where only a select group of information reaches you. This has serious implications for democracy, for the free exchange of ideas, and for your right to form your own opinions. If you only see viewpoints that confirm what you already believe, you lose the opportunity to challenge your perspectives and grow intellectually. And here's the worst part. The information gathered about you isn't always accurate or up to date.
Mistakes happen, rumors spread, and old information lingers online, creating a distorted picture of who you are.
This becomes even more problematic when decisions about your access to opportunities, your reputation, or even your basic rights hinge on that information. It feels like being judged by a jury of numbers and algorithms that don't fully understand the context or the human element involved.
For instance, imagine you have a medical condition that is now under control but was more serious in the past. You post about your struggle, hoping to raise awareness and help others.
But in the future, your candid post could be used against you when you apply for health insurance, making it harder for you to secure coverage or leading to higher premiums. Your vulnerability becomes a permanent stain on your record, limiting your choices and increasing your costs.
And even when you try to correct the record, it's often too late. The damage has already been done. In a world where your digital shadow can outlive your actual presence, every post becomes a gamble. You gain social currency in the moment, but you are betting on the accuracy and discretion of algorithms and people whose interests do not align with yours.
The question is, how do you navigate this minefield of misinformation and manipulation? How do you ensure that your voice isn't drowned out by the noise? And how do you hold those responsible for the chaos accountable? In the coming sections, we will explore ways to protect your privacy, manage your online reputation, and fight back against those who seek to profit from your personal information.
It's time to reclaim your digital life.
In the digital age, your privacy is constantly at risk. Every click, every search, every like leaves a trace.
It's crucial to protect yourself from those who want to exploit your data. But don't worry, you don't need to be a tech genius to stay safe. By understanding the basics and implementing a few easy steps, you can fortify your online life and keep your personal information secure.
First up, think before you click. Most of us are creatures of habit. We tend to autofill forms with our personal info and click away without a second thought.
But each piece of information you reveal is like handing over a key to your digital house. To reduce the risk of identity theft and fraud, avoid using autofill and read privacy policies thoroughly.
It's important to understand how your information will be collected and used. Also, be cautious about the emails you open.
A well-crafted phishing email can trick even the savviest users.
Never share your passwords or personal information via email.
And remember, legitimate companies won't ask for such details through email.
Next, enhance your social media security.
Social media is a double-edged sword. While it allows you to connect with friends and family, it also provides a treasure trove of information for data miners. Regularly review your privacy settings. Limit the personal details you reveal in posts and be cautious about the apps you connect to your social media accounts. You can also enable two-factor authentication for an extra layer of security.
This means that in addition to your password, you'll need another form of verification, such as a text message code to log in. This adds an extra layer of protection against unauthorized access to your accounts. Lastly, keep your devices secure. Most of our personal information is stored on our computers, tablets, and smartphones.
Therefore, safeguarding these devices is crucial. Install reputable antivirus software. Keep your operating systems and apps updated, and back up your data regularly. In case of a cyber attack, you can recover your files and minimize the damage.
Now, here's a bonus tip.
Just as you secure your physical home, consider securing your digital prisons.
Use strong passwords that are unique to each account and avoid using passwords that are personal information like your birthday or your pet name. These simple steps may seem minor, but they are the cornerstones of your digital defense system.
By incorporating them into your daily routine, you can significantly reduce your risk of falling victim to cyber threats.
Remember, your privacy and security are in your hands. Knowledge is your most potent weapon, and with the right information and mindset, you can confidently navigate the digital world. Now, we all know that feeling of dread when our computer is running slow or when an app just won't cooperate.
It seems like technology has a knack for failing at the most inconvenient moments.
But instead of panicking, we need to stay calm and focused. After all, it's in these moments that quick thinking and a clear head can save the day. So when faced with technical glitches, take a deep breath, assess the situation, and tackle the problem systematically.
One approach that can help in these situations is the scientific method.
This approach involves making observations, asking questions, forming hypotheses, and testing solutions. It's a systematic way of problem solving that can be applied to various technical issues. When your computer is running slow, for example, start by observing the symptoms. Is it taking longer to load programs? Are the apps crashing frequently? Once you identify the issue, ask questions to narrow down the possibilities. Is it a recent development, or has it been happening gradually? Does it happen with a specific app or program? By understanding the context of the problem, you can start forming hypotheses about what might be causing it. Could it be a malware infection? Is your computer running low on resources?
Has there been a recent software update that could be causing conflicts?
After forming a hypothesis, test potential solutions systematically.
Try running a virus or malware scan to rule out security threats. Check your system's resource usage to see if there are any bottlenecks. Look for software updates to fix any bugs or compatibility issues. Remember to document your process and the outcomes of your tests.
This can help you identify patterns and prevent similar issues in the future. The scientific method encourages you to approach technical problems with a calm and analytical mindset. Instead of panicking or resorting to random fixes, You take a structured approach to understand the problem and develop effective solutions.
In fact, studies in psychology prove that when facing technical issues, it's natural to experience emotional responses like frustration, boredom, anxiety, or anger. However, these emotions can cloud your judgment and hinder your ability to solve the problem effectively.
On the other hand, adopting a problem-solving approach like the scientific method can help you maintain a positive emotional state, allowing you to focus on finding a solution.
As we continue to rely more and more on technology, our vulnerability to cyber threats grows. But remember, knowledge is your greatest asset.
By staying informed, adopting a proactive mindset, and equipping yourself with the right skills, you can fortify your digital life and protect your hard-earned achievements. Don't let the fear of cyber attacks paralyze you. Instead, let it fuel your determination to learn, adapt, and thrive in the face of evolving challenges. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful cybersecurity tips.
And remember, in the game of cybersecurity, the only constant is change. Stay flexible, stay curious, and stay safe. Until next time, stay vigilant and keep learning.
Your digital resilience is in your hands.